guys, what's up? It's Candace and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you all two new products that I have received, both of which I purchased with my own coin. And I'm going to be kind of doing, this is a kickoff to both of the products. I'm going to be sampling both of these products over the next 60 days, meaning the first product I will try out for the first month and the next product I will try out for the following month. And once I have tried out both products, I will come back and give you all my honest feedback on what I think, how they performed, are they worth the money, are they worth the hype, and all of those good things. So the products that I will be reviewing are the latest and the only two products from Halo Beauty. If you are not familiar with Halo Beauty, then they are made and founded by Tati Westbrook, who is a beauty YouTuber here on YouTube, and she created her own company, own line of products, and they are very skin-ceutical type products, and I am very anxious to try them out and share them with you all. And I kind of lied a little bit. I've already been trying one of the products. I'm not all the way done, but I still wanted to jump on and give you all this video before I completely finish the first product and show you all what they are about. So if you are anxious and would like to see what Halo Beauty products I am going to be trying out, then keep on watching. But before you do that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that bell icon so that you're always notified of every future upload. All right guys, let's get it. All right guys, so Halo Beauty, which I will link all the information here or here, one of the two, again, is a company that was founded by Tati Westbrook here on YouTube, and she wanted to not come out with a makeup line and makeup products as her launch products, but she really wanted to do something that was kind of good for you, like the inside out, because your makeup only looks as good as your skin does, which I have told you all numerous times in other videos. So she wanted to start with the beauty from within first. So she launched a skin, hair, and nail vitamin first, and this launched a few months ago, and it is the Halo Beauty Hair, Skin, Nails Booster. And this is what this looks like. The packaging is super cute, super chic. You get a nice, like, kind of shaded glass bottle. It's, I think it's like a hard plastic. And you have a nice little chrome lid. It's got the xoxo Tati on the lid, which you probably won't be able to make out, but the packaging is very nice. And what it says is this is intensively nourishing. It says it is to promote thick and luxurious hair growth, minimize fine lines and wrinkles, supports collagen and keratin production, promotes strong and healthy nails, and it has anti-gray fighting enzymes. So what you get in an order is 60 capsules, and what that means is this is a month's supply. You take 2 pills a day. Again, this focuses on hair, skin, and nails. Now, recently, within the last month, she has launched a new product, and it is called the Kiwi Seed Booster. And this is what the packaging looks like. Super cute packaging. So this is great skin. So this vitamin, it is another vitamin. Here's what it kind of looks like. So this vitamin focuses solely on your skin, and it's for clear, glowing skin. And again, this is the Kiwi Seed Booster. It minimizes fine lines and wrinkles, supports collagen and keratin production, and supports clear and radiant complexion. You get 30 capsules in here, so that means you take 1 a day, and this is a 30-day supply. All the details on both of these products I will have listed in the description box, along with a link as well as the pricing information. So I did watch Tati's original review, and I've also read on her website. These two products are not to be taken together. It's kind of one or the other. If you want to just focus on your skin, then you take the Kiwi Seed Booster, and if you're wanting kind of all three, the trio of hair, skin, and nails, you will take the original Halo Beauty Booster. Now, obviously this has the same skin ingredients as the Kiwi Seed Booster, but you're just getting a lot more and a more potent amount in the Kiwi Booster. So you just kind of take your pick of what you want to try out. So since this product came out first, this is the first one that I ordered, and this is what I have been trying. And I have probably 2 weeks left supply in here, so I'm going to finish this bottle and kind of make some notes and document my results, and then I'm going to immediately start on just the kiwi seed booster and take this for an entire month and then do the same, and then I'm gonna come back and have another video for you guys to give you my thoughts, opinions. Is it worth your time? Is it worth your money? All of those good things, and you can decide for yourself if it's something that you want to try out. So I know this video was short and sweet, but I wanted to again kind of tee you guys up to what I'm going to be doing over the next 2 months. And if you all have any comments, questions, suggestions on future videos, please feel free to sound off in the comment section. Also, you guys, we are really close to 2,500 subscribers, so I would love it if you guys would help me get there. As I did with 1,500 subscribers, I've got a huge giveaway planned, and I am just really excited about it, so I would really appreciate y'all subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, share my channel with all of your friends and family, and help me get to 2,500 subscribers so I can do a huge giveaway. So excited. So guys, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and share it with your friend, your cousin, your baby mama, your baby daddy, your coworker, whomever, so they can join the family and we can all just be on here together. And again, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to leave me some comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.